So New Build Venture Capital is an enterprise venture firm. We are focused on early stage investing in enterprise supply chain. So our whole thesis is that if you look at the cloud and AI and edge data and connected devices rails, the innovation that's happening there, a lot of that can be applied to the back half of the enterprise. So when we looked at PullLogic, clearly from a thematic perspective, there's a great fit in the types of things that we're interested in. But broadly, we look at sort of the origin story of where this came from and why is this kind of potentially a very large opportunity. So one of the things we were impressed with was the fact that there is some core technology that comes from Georgia Tech. This is a research area that's been active for 10 plus years. So somebody has been thinking about this problem for 10 plus years. So there's a depth of the algorithms that have been developed and tested with a lot of enterprise companies. So that seed kernel of technology was very important. The second is, if you just look at where the market is post-pandemic, we've known this even outside of PullLogic. There was a lot of disruption in the supply chain and people have been adding inventory to ameliorate that. Now, the cost of that, if you just look at what has happened, is across the US, working capital has gone up 30%. From before the pandemic to now. So, and that's completely unsustainable. It's sort of wasted money in some ways. In terms of actually getting PullLogic from proof of value, that clearly is proof of value. There are 5 companies, 5 customers using this. We had the opportunity to talk to many of them, and some of them have joined as investors. So these are all the kinds of challenges that we like to sort of work with our companies on. What's super exciting is that the market opportunity is gigantic. Right, every company, any enterprise that makes anything that, or even just if you deploy for a data center, like you're managing inventory, right? So inventory management is a core problem for all enterprises that touch physical goods in any way, and that's pretty much everybody, right? So we feel like that the market is very large. So if things go right, there is a huge opportunity ahead for PullLogic, and it's sort of our responsibility to guide the company to sort of methodically get to that large opportunity. In general, enterprises right now are very curious about AI. People are thinking about how do you incorporate AI to make sure that you can get all these efficiencies, and not just in terms of labor arbitrage, not to just remove costs, but what can you do today with AI that you couldn't have done 3 years ago or 5 years ago. So that's my encouragement that people should take a look at PullLogic.